Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant notifications every time someone you follow makes a post on X app, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and simple steps to turn off this specific notification category so you can enjoy a calmer, distraction-free experience. Let's get started. The first step is to head over to your phone's main settings. Don't open the X app just yet. This adjustment will be done directly through your device settings. Once you're in your settings, look for the option labeled Apps. This is where all the installed applications on your phone are listed. Tap on it, and then scroll until you find the X app. Go ahead and select it. Next, you'll see a few options related to the app, but what we're interested in is notifications. Tap on Notifications, and this will open up all the notification controls available for the app. From here, you'll notice something called Notification Categories. This is where X app organizes all of its different types of notifications, like mentions, direct messages, and posts. Tap on Notification Categories, and you'll see a detailed breakdown of each category that the app uses to send you alerts. Now, look for the one labeled Posts from people you follow. This is the category that pushes notifications every time someone on your follow list creates a new post. To turn it off, all you need to do is toggle the switch to the off position. Once you do this, you'll no longer get those constant pings whenever people you follow share updates, and that's it. You're done. From now on, you can still check new posts by simply opening the app whenever you want, but you won't be interrupted by these specific notifications anymore. Taking control of your notification settings allows you to stay focused, reduce distractions, and choose when you want to engage with the content on X app. It's a quick fix that makes a big difference in keeping your phone's alerts more manageable. If you found this guide helpful, try adjusting other notification categories as well to fully customize which alerts truly matter to you. Thanks for tuning in.